Welcome back to Kirk Kooks. It's Ninja Turtle Pizza Wednesday again. This one's not going to be fun. I mean, you know what it is, you've seen it in the title. So this one is from Season 6, Episode 11, Donatello Trashes Slash. Toppings: marshmallow, chili peppers, and octopus. We've got 3 ready cooked octopus tentacles here. Octopus with marshmallow and chili peppers on a pizza. Yeah. Okay, so I have a dough ball here ready to be stretched. Let's make this horrific pizza. Let's do octopus, marshmallow and chili pepper. Let's get the sauce down. Some cheese. Some more cheese. So let's chop a couple of these chili peppers up. I learnt last time we had chili peppers, don't put them on whole, it's stupid. Just spread a bit of this about. So then, we have our octopus legs. Cut this open. Yeah. Look at that. Holy fuck. I think we're just going to do that, look. Let's just do that. Not chop them up. That looks glorious. Final topping, look. Some marshmallow. Just get that final tiny bit of cheese just on the top of the toppings. And that is one marshmallow, chili pepper and octopus pizza ready for the oven. Right, so that is our finished octopus, marshmallow and chili pepper pizza. And today I'm not eating on my own. I've got some guests. Look, we've got Mr. McNuckles, Mr. Stephen and Mr. Clark.
Yay.
And Mr. Ranger. Oi!
Always grab your bag.
Grab your bag.
Oh, I'll tell you what. Don't smell too good.
I don't suppose it will do with squid.
Right, yeah, so we're doing things a bit different today. I've got some other people here to do a bit of tasting with you, so you're not just getting my opinion on them, because if people might like them and I don't, you never know. So, this is all chopped up, our octopus pizza. Does anyone want to grab a slice?
Yeah, cow. I've got that bit. I'm going to make sure I get that bit.
That's alright, chunk. I'll have a bit of a nice bit of octopus from
That's a chunky God's sake. That's a proper chunky bit.
Look at that, from the start, look.
Oh, so I get the one with a nice big massive chunk of octopus on it, yeah.
Yeah, look, I'm putting a bit of marshmallow and a bit of chili.
Are we going for it?
Hang on, dudes. Here comes the cavalry, bringing marshmallow, octopus, and chili pepper pizza.
I told you, I think this one's going to be alright.
It's not that bad.
No,
Tastes like chicken.
just like very chewy.
I thought this was going to be the worst one ever, and it's not that horrible.
Don't know, mate. It feels like
It
a
stinks.
trial.
What?
Bushed up a trial, isn't it? Yeah.
Octopus pizza. What does the octopus taste like on its own?
It's very chewy.
Oh, but it's so slimy.
Mm.
Right, it's enough of that.
Oh, well, if he can put his down, I can put
Oh.
mine down.
Oh no, it's going. It's the slime. Look, you tried a bit.
Oh, that's horrible. Don't eat it on its own.
Well, do you think the pizza helps with the flavour, the cheese?
Are you going for it? Oh.
I don't think the octopus is that bad. It's just like you say, chewy and slimy. It's just like
It's alright.
like eating a bit of seafood.
So you think on the pizza it's alright then? You don't mind it on its own?
Mm.
Do you think, Lee? You enjoy that? No.
It's like a really chewy piece of bacon.
Yeah.
So there you go. Apparently marshmallow, chili peppers and octopus isn't that bad.
Chop the octopus up smaller, I'd eat the whole pizza.
Yeah, I probably should have chopped the octopus up smaller. Should have done little octopus rings, but never mind.
Yeah, it's like calamari, isn't it?
I'll fill it with octopus.
Well, that's what you said, it was alright on its own. Well, so that's it for this week. Catch you next time.
The cake.
Jelly bean and sausage pizzas.
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce. Peanut butter and clams.
Anchovies and bananas.